Okay, this is an HP all-in-one laptop or desktop computer. So to open it, to have access to the solid state drive, we have to remove this back cover and these screws right here. There are like star shape. We're going to have to remove them. All right, and there is 4 screws that need to be removed. As you can see, I'm doing this with one hand and in the floor. I just needed a flat surface, and now we're going to remove the stand. It's like this, and to open it, I pry open by this end right here, and I go around and it's like this. Remove it, and the hard drive is going to be over here. This is the one we need to replace, which is this one right here, same size. And to remove the hard drive, we have to remove the screwdriver over here. I mean the screw from here. It's holding right there. Already remove it and then pull backwards, just like this, and it should come off. I'm gonna unplug this one. I need both hands, so let me see if I can do it with one. Yeah, I'm gonna use both hands to remove it. Once the connector is out, I'm gonna remove the hard drive from the caddy, which is 4 screws. And put this one back in and then connect it. Okay, and here we have the solid state drive. We have board, and we remove that one. This one goes back into the caddy, and I'm gonna put the screws back in there. Okay, now that I have the hard drive in place and the screws are in, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna do the connector. I'm gonna have to use both hands, so I'll leave it right here so you guys can see. It's gonna be hard to see, but nope. Okay, you put the sticker back in here. We push the hard drive, the caddy. The hard drive caddy needs to go attached to this part right here. So we push down, and then now it's in place. Now we are gonna put the screw to keep it secure. And then we're going to put the back cover back in here. just like so. And then before I close it completely, I'm gonna test the computer to see if it powers on. Alright, so I use some of the air compressor can to blow out the fans. And now I'm gonna put the back cover. So the back cover goes just like this right here. Okay. Make sure it's nice and flat and push slowly. There we go. All the clips are in. Nice and secure. Now the stand is going right here like this. Just like that. I'm gonna put the screws back in. Alright, the stand is in, just like that. And now we're gonna put the computer up. And there it is. I had to do it on the floor because I want it to be flat and on the carpet, no problem.